Pretty sobering, isn't it? I'm Mr. Bob, the computer guy at the Like New PC Tech Bench. We're here today to talk about Like New PC for disabled, badly infected, and slow Windows computers, and how it can help remove the spyware, tracking software, and all the other devices meant to take your personal data. I'm a 37-year industry expert. I've been doing computers forever. I can tell you I've never seen a computer, a personal computer, that did not have these type of tracking devices and infections. As a matter of fact, the reason why most PCs are slow, it's not because they're old, it's because they got a bunch of tracking devices and spyware that are mucking up the works. So we're going to talk about this scandal. They're mentioning Cambridge Analytica and all those other programs and companies and things that collect all your information and try to decipher who you are and what you're about, and do a psychological and online profile of what you do. That's just website data tracking. That's only the tip of the iceberg. Mark Zuckerberg said that the other day, hinting that Cambridge Analytica was just the start. There's 3 different types of bugs, and I'll call them bugs just because I want to keep this simple for folks that don't understand. The techs will get mad at me when I say those things, but they all have specific names and functions. But we're just going to call them bugs and say there's 3 different types. You can get your information collected when you go to a website. They will basically scrape your moves, where you go, what you do, and they'll collect this data, and that's how they interpret who you are and what type of buyer you are, etc. The other thing that they do is they can put a cookie on your computer, and that cookie can be designed to do anything. They only tell you about what the legal and the standard implementation of these devices are. They don't tell you when the bad guys modify them and use them the way that they want to. But they put cookies on to, once again, see what you're doing, where you're going, who you're interacting with. They basically want to see what you want to buy. They look at your decisions for purchases. They're basically just seeing who you are on the internet. The third and most dangerous is spyware, and it's prevalent. It's probably as prevalent as what Cambridge Analytica did. Basically, there's a nefarious bug that gets downloaded to your computer, and it can do a number of different really damaging things, including stealing your information, your social security information, your banking information. They can measure all your keystrokes, see where you go, what you do. And all of this is not even being talked about. It's very important that you understand that this data is being collected in legal and illegal ways, and it's all going into big data stores there, basically to be utilized by companies later for whatever purpose they want, be it legal or not. So you look at your computer, you say, wow, I've got, antivirus, I've got this all covered and it's protected. No, it's not. The funny thing about it is probably every one of the bugs that you've downloaded to your computer, you initiated and authorized. And the reason why I say that is anytime you click on something, that information gets downloaded to your computer because you intended it to be and asked for it. Now, if it happens to be a bug, you're tricked by an email that you open, you go online to Google, to Facebook, you visit someplace and do one of those little games or want to test your knowledge about World War II, all of that kind of stuff. Most of those things are designed to get your information. So basically, you can't go on the internet and be entertained without being at risk severely for someone collecting your data. So anytime you play a game or do something, the game is really you. They're collecting your stuff, and they're not going to use it in a way that you probably want to. So knock it off. Quit doing that stuff. Anytime you click, you authorize what's coming to you. Now you ask, why talk about the bugs and what does our product have to do with it? Like New PC was designed with 12 different scanners and tools to go in and solve these problems and remove all the different types of bugs. Um, Basically, I could go on with, about 20, 30 different types of known categorized things that are affecting your computer. Um, but I won't bore you with all those details. All I can tell you is that I have not in 37 years seen a computer that was not infected with some of these tracking devices, cookies, or spyware, malware, stuff that was designed to steal your information. It's a really poor kept secret that nobody's really paying attention to, but every computer in America probably is being monitored by somebody right now, and we need to stop it. If you go to www.likenewpc.net and download our program, you can run it for free. We don't ask for any money. If it fixes your computer, or you're happy with the results, you can offer to donate us some money on the back end. But we want you safe. Go out and use that product. It's safe and easy to use. It's well validated and tested software. It was designed for novices, so don't be afraid to use it. You just got to download it, follow the instructions on our YouTube channel here. There is a video of me with a little bit longer goatee that basically walks you through how to use Like New PC to clean your machine. With the 12 different scanners and tools, it's the most thorough cleaning product available on the market today. Literally go there, download and run it. You'll see the results, and you can help protect your family from these types of attacks. Don't let them get your data. It's yours. It's personal, and it should not be out there. This is Bob Wing with Like New PC. Hoping you're having a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.